Dina loved learning about new things. She loves learning about bugs, candy, cupcakes, and toys. Now it's time for Dina to learn all about the alphabets.
Tommy, do you know how to see your alphabets? I need to learn real quick before I start going to school. I try to remember, but there's so many letters. I'm like, come on, do we even need all of them?
Yeah, we use all the alphabets. The alphabets are letters, and they're in every single thing we say. Your name is spelled D-E-N-A. Those are 4 letters right there.
Oh, wow, 4 letters. And I thought I had like 2 letters. That would be easy to remember. D-E-N-A.
Slow down there, Speedy. You have 22 more letters to learn. It's not easy, but you'll get the hang of it in no time if you keep singing the alphabet song. That's what helped me.
How long did it take you, Tommy?
I think it was 5 days.
5 days? 5 days? 5 long days is so long.
Well, you probably want to start learning the song like right now.
All right, how does the alphabet song go? Does it start with D-E-N-A?
Nope. Just stay focused. Listen, then you can practice it. Are you ready?
Ready as I'll ever be.
All right, here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Woohoo! That was great, Tommy. Now, if you could sing it one more time for me, I think I would get it.
All right. Hold your horses. Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, G, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. I'll sing it again, just in case you didn't catch on. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. There you go. Now you can sing it anytime you want. You might mess up in the beginning, but you can ask me for help. I'll help you out if you get stuck.
Thanks, Tommy. You're so cool.
Dina and Tommy was outside with their father looking at the night sky. They were looking into outer space for planets, stars, and moons. Alright, gather round and take turns looking through the telescope at space. Dina, you could go first since this is your first time.
Yay! I'm going to see some stars, some moon, and some planets. Wow!
Dina, what do you see?
Ah! I see space ants, and they're huge. Ah!
No. You have it pointed to the ground. How about now?
Phew! Much better. For a while there, I thought giant ants were taking over the moon. Wow, I see white and red glowing dots and things that look like marbles. And look, is that a shooting star? What am I looking at?
Planets and stars, Dina, they are far, far, far away. So we're using a telescope to see them better.
That's right, Tommy. Planets, moon, stars, and space rocks.
Nice. This is great. What is the name of the planets, Daddy?
Oh, let me see. I have a space map somewhere. Here it is. That's Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and that right there is Neptune. All the other tiny lights are stars that are far away.
Oh, cool. Do we live on a planet or a star?
We live on a planet Earth, and the sun is a star.
What about the moon?
Yeah, the moon is a moon. Some planets have many moons that rotate around them. We just have one.
Oh, what is that? I know it's called a shooting star, but it's too small and moving fast.
That's a large space rock called a meteor.
Great. I feel like an astronaut or a space captain now. Awesome, Dad.
Dina, Toro, and Tommy was playing outside. While Toro was about to take flight, Dina watched how he flapped his wings to fly. She could not figure out how he can fly, so she asked Toro, "How do you fly?"
Toro, how do you do that? How do you fly? All I see you do is move your wings and you're off. Up, 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 and away like a giant bird.
Ha 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 ha. Dina, it took me some time to understand flying. First I was scared of flying, then my mommy showed me how to do it.
Do I need wing arms like you to fly? Or feathers like a bird?
I never seen an animal fly without wings, only saw animals fall. But I can teach you what my mom taught me.
Thanks, Toro. I always wonder how you could fly too.
It's all in the flapping of the wings. Have you ever noticed that when the wind start blowing really, really strong, it start lifting things into the air?
Yeah, one time the wind was like, and it knocked me over, and leaves were flying everywhere.
Yeah, that's the same thing my wings do. It creates lift. And the wind picks me up. My wings create wind to lift my body. And the more I flap, the higher I go. That's called lift. Lift off.
Whoa, cool. You're a wind maker. Nice.
But when you're high in the air, you don't move your wings that much. You just stretch them out and float up there.
I call that catching wind or gliding. When I'm high enough or the wind is blowing strong, I just stretch out my wings and boom, I'm floating in the air.
Nice. Flying, gliding. That's the life to live. Thanks, Toro. I always wonder how you could fly.